Do you want some ideas for your Thanksgiving themed sensory bins? Let's check out 3 ideas on how you can change your sensory bins into a Thanksgiving theme. Alright, so let's start with our bases. For your Thanksgiving bins, you could use feathers, cornmeal, or even pumpkin seeds. And then for the items that you want to put in your sensory bin, I found some small pumpkins and gourds, some small wooden trucks, mini hay bales, and small pine cones. I found each of these items at local craft stores. So if you would like items similar to these, but you can't find them at your local stores, check out the links in the description for items similar that are listed on Amazon. Once you have your bases and the items that you're going to put in your bin, you can start putting them together. So check out how I put all of these 3 bins together. And of course, put your scoops, cups, popsicle sticks, anything that you want the kids to play with in your sensory bin, as well as the items for that specific theme. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on other preschool ideas, and check out this video on fall-themed sensory bins that you could do in your classroom as well. Thanks for watching!